My king, the python is human. It is close. And it's among the people.
The python is human and is close. That means you know this python. Why then have you not moved in? What are you waiting for?
My king, the ways of the gods are past finding. The ways of the gods are not the ways of humans.
I am trying so hard to understand the connection of what you are saying to what we are experiencing now.
What did you mean by the python is amongst us?
The king needed answers.
But you are the mouthpiece of the gods. No one will hear anything except you give them access to.
The evil you do will swallow you.
I shall wait till then. But for now, I will continue to inflict pain on them because I derive joy in seeing them suffer.
Greetings, my friends.
Greetings. Greetings, Akudo. Akudo.
Greetings once again, my friends.
Greetings, Akudo. I have not gotten a reply on my humble request.
My friends, are we still talking about that?
Of course we are. Does it look like we've concluded?
My friends, you are the most charming young man in the entire kingdom of Geodo. The kind of man every maiden will fight to have. And on top of that, you are royalty, the crown prince of our great land. In a normal circumstance, I should be the one running after you just to get your interest. And you are a dream come true if you finally have interest in me. But my friends, none of these things matters to me because I am just a common maiden.
Of course I know you're just a common maiden. And I desire not to get married to you.
So what is it that the prince seeks from me?
I just want you by my side. Just for a night.
May the gods forbid, my prince! No, I can never indulge in that.
Leave the gods out of this matter.
It has everything to do with the gods, my prince. And I will not incur the wrath of the gods by indulging you.
Okay. I will give you some
I do not need your gifts, my prince. And please, for the record, do not bring this up again, lest I'll tell my father and your father the king.
Akudo, if you dare walk out on me, What just happened? What did you ask of her? She walked out on you? She needs to be punished. Yes, don't worry, I'll fix it. Ubira. Obiora, where have you been? Obieza, I've been here. You've been here? No, that is not true. I was here earlier and you were nowhere to be found. Even the guards said they haven't seen you. Ugezu, I'm your older brother. Why will you be stalking on me? Because you are my blood brother. I love and I care about you. Biko, where have you been? Obiora.
Your Majesty, our people say that a man does not sit at home and watch the pregnant goat deliver it out. Please, Your Majesty, we cannot continue to keep quiet and watch our people die before our very eyes.
Your Majesty, what mysterious serpent could it be? Destroying our crops, poisoning our waters, and killing our people.
Igwe, we cannot take this anymore.
My elders,
Igwe,
I perfectly understand why you are saying this. But Ezemo is the one who has refused to speak.
Igwe, look at the faces of all your people. Devastation, despair, agony, and total abandonment. Igwe, that has been the ordeal of this kingdom. Something has to be done, please, Igwe. Something has to be done.
My elders, I understand where this is coming from. I can feel the pain of my people. It is not as if I do not want to do something. The Ezemo is the one who has refused to say anything. But I give you this assurance. If the Ezemo comes up with a solution to this problem, I am going to adhere to it strictly.
Your Majesty, what about the people who have been killed?
We are going to bury them. That is exactly what the living is supposed to be doing for the dead. Once they are dead, we get them buried.
The things that are happening in our kingdom is becoming something else. And to worsen the whole situation, the king and his cabinet members, they are doing nothing about this mysterious snake.
I'm confused about everything going on in this kingdom. We need to do something.
No. I can't take it. I will not take it. The youth and myself will do something about this. We will make sure we kill this mysterious python. Yes.
You are right, my brother. We need to do something. You know our people say, make hay while the sun shine. We need to do something. I cannot go to get that tree woji to put a jail. We must do something.
I will. I have to. Let's go. Huh?
Obiora. What is going on? You do not look happy. I know your heart is troubled. Your heart is worried about the disaster hitting the kingdom.
I have better things to worry about. The people's worry is not part of my problem.
But you are the heir apparent to the throne. These are your people. They are counting on you to protect them from evil. Obiora, you owe them everything.
I don't owe them nothing. I don't owe them nothing. Besides, it is the responsibility of the king and the gods to keep the kingdom safe, not mine.
Obiora, I know your heart is heavy. I want to share your burdens.
Obieze, my shoulders are strong enough to hold the burdens that overweigh my heart.
Obiora, may I come with you?
Do not follow me.
My husband, this is getting out of hand. Please do something. The people can't keep dying like this.
Are you by any means suggesting I do not care about my people?
Far be it. But the people's will. They want to hear your voice. They want to hear that king speak to them. Please speak to them.
This very case, as far as I am concerned, is a spiritual case. It is not a political case. The AGBONMA is the one who should be speaking.
But AGBONMA is taking too long. And the people can't keep waiting.
And here he comes. AGBONMA, what exactly is going on in this kingdom?
May your reign belong, Your Majesty.
My reign cannot be long when my people are dying in their numbers. What is it with this strange python that is killing our people? Destroying their farms, destroying their crops. Just give me the name of this kingdom that unleashed the disaster on our land, and I'm going to bring them to ruin. Just mention their name to me.
My king, the python is human. It is close. And it's among the people.
The python is human and is close. That means you know this python. Why then have you not moved in? What are you waiting for?
My king, the ways of the gods are past finding. The ways of the gods are not the ways of humans.
I am trying so hard to understand the connection of what you are saying to what we are experiencing now.
When the time is right, we shall see, and we shall know.
At the right time, we shall see, and we shall know. And we shall know.
I am angry at you, AGBONMA. I am very angry. You were not supposed to say anything. What did you mean by the python is amongst us?
The king needed answers.
But you are the mouthpiece of the gods. No one will hear anything except you give them access to. You have failed in your own bargain.
Enough, Prince Obiora. You need to stop the havoc. It is you who has failed on your own side of the bargain.
Because I have not told the king and the people how you killed your own brother Okonkwo and buried him in this shrine. You have covered you up for a while. Your hands are not clean, so you have no right to judge me.
What delight do you derive from destroying people? What joy do you derive from destroying them? You have to stop. You have to stop. Else, the evil you do will swallow you.
I shall wait till then. But for now, I will continue to inflict pain on them because I derive joy in seeing them suffer.
My king, the python is human. It is close. And it's among the people.
Could it be him? Each time he transforms and creeps out of this palace, there is always something disastrous that follows next. Mba, no. It can never be him. The gods forbid. Why would the gods bring such curse upon the royal household? Gods of our ancestors, please, let this wickedness not be the handwork of my beloved brother, Biko. Please.
Ugezu, my beloved brother, you don't look happy.
My mind is full of worries.
Then you can talk to your beloved brother. I'm here to listen to your worries.
Ezemo says the python is human and is amongst us. That thought alone bothers my mind.
Ugezu, forget about what Ezemo said. See, I'm not even sure Ezemo knows what he's doing. Why would this be occurring since? And he has nothing to do about it.
Maybe you are the python that has been terrorizing and killing us. Obiora, you are my beloved brother, the python prince, the heir apparent to the throne of Diodo kingdom. You need to find this strange python and kill it. Least I'll be forced to believe that you have something to do with this.
I don't care about what you believe. I don't care!
Many a time, I have caught a glimpse of you transforming and creeping out of this palace. What follows next draws tears from the eyes of everyone. Obiora, tell me this is not you.
Ugezu, I have nothing to tell you.
This is not my brother. This This is not you. You cannot be the one.
Son,
Mother.
where have you been?
Mother, I've been here, thinking out loud.
So, what are you thinking about? You can share it with us.
No, Ugezu, I don't want to share in my thoughts.
Okay. So, tell us. Where have you been, my beloved brother? Father has been looking for you. He is worried.
See, Ugezu, Father has better things to think about. His kingdom is in disaster, so worrying about me won't solve any.
Maybe if you stop making him to worry about your whereabouts, it could help to solve part of the problem.
Ugezu, you don't speak to me in such disrespectful manner.
Your brother hasn't said anything wrong or disrespectful.
Mother, I was expecting that long ago.
What is he doing?
Mother, what is going on?
I don't know. We're still talking and he leaves.
Ugezu gets angry easily lately.
No, he has always been like that. Maybe I should talk to him privately.
It is no longer news that our kingdom has become a prey to this mysterious, deadly python. Our rivers are no longer safe. Our crops destroyed. Our fishermen are killed on a daily basis. Farmers attacked on our farmland. We can no longer take this anymore.
Your Majesty, we cannot continue like this. What exactly do we do? This situation is getting out of hand. Huh?
The eye of the gods has given his counsel.
Really? So, what is the counsel?
This deadly python must be killed. And our hunter must not relent in their effort to hunt. For now, no one should visit the stream anymore. The fishermen should save their net.
Your Majesty, I do not believe in this. How can our hunters stop going to the bush to hunt? Will the fishermen stop going to fish? Our children stop going to the river to get water? Even our women stop going to the farm to tilt the ground? What becomes of us? Tell me.
Is food more important than life. And is fishing for food more important than safety?
In that case, Your Majesty, if our people stop farming, fishing, and our children stop going to the river to get water because of the deadly python, in that case we stand the chance of dying because of deadly hunger. What do you think, Your Majesty?
It is my responsibility to save and protect my kingdom, even with the last drop of my blood. I shall feed my people. That deadly, mysterious python must be killed.
As it pleases you, Your Majesty.
What happened? You're back. Are you fine?
I'm fine.
The python came to the village today. He attacked so many people. We have lost so many people today.
The python attacked again?
I was so scared when you had not come back and you're on your closing time. Just thank the gods that you're back. Are you sure he didn't attack you?
Relax, Oma. I am fine.
You're safe?
Yes.
Well, the king said we have to cease all activities for now. No fishing, no hunting, nobody goes to the stream, nobody goes out. We have to stay indoors for us to be safe.
What do you mean cease all activities?
Because the python is around. It's killing. People have died today. A lot of people have died.
What becomes of our people if they decide to stay at home?
Oh, because wait, you have to listen to me. You do not have to go for hunting again. We have enough to feed on. Just please stay at home. Just forget about hunting for now.
It is not about us.
I cannot lose my only brother.
What
please.
becomes of our people if they decide to stay at home?
What if you go out and die?
Gods of our ancestors! Gods of Raji! What has become of our people? Who is this maiden?
She's the only one who survived from the python bite. Only she was able to survive.
So how is she doing now?
She's still unconscious.
My prince, the king seeks for your presence.
Which of the prince in particular?
Prince Obiora.
And what does he want?
I do not know, but you can come and find out yourself.
The king's suspicion is full.
Do father wants to talk to him about it?
I think so. I know your brother. He has always been an unnecessarily difficult person. So being a python prince affords him the powers to transform and ward off, causing harm and danger. But I never thought that he would use all his powers and privileges against the kingdom, causing havoc and danger to his own kingdom.
I have a feeling that the death of Ezemo is connected to this.
I feel the same.
Father, I do not have a hand in what you're saying.
Give me one reason I have to believe you.
Because I am saying the truth.
You cannot stand before a man like me to be talking that way. Because you know that I know you. You are one of those men that don't have any truth in their mouths. Listen to me. If I finally discover you are affiliated to this in any way, I am going to forget the fact that you are my son. I will put you out.
Father, you cannot shake me down because my hands are clean. But if this is what you really want, then to maintain my integrity, I'm going to kiss the throne goodbye.
You have no integrity to maintain. Let me tell you this. You are mean. You are vicious. You are heartless. You derive pleasure bullying people and watching them cry. I am telling you to your face that you are a sadist. Desist from this. If you are connected to this in any way, I am saying this in your overall interest.
Father, I know that I am not the son your heart yearns for. You only made me the king in making to satisfy the royal standing. But it does not bother me, king or no king.
Make one step, and I am going to seize you and then dump you in the dungeon so that you become meat to the wild animals. Don't push me.
Father, I am not afraid of you. So being a meat to your beast is not my worry.
How dare you talk to me in that language? Are you sick in the head?
You will not talk to the king like that. You will respect the king, son. You loved him into being a monster.
Call your son and organize him. Because if I organize him myself, you may not see a son to call a son.
Obiora, I had nothing to do with whatever father told you. You're a liar, Obieze. You're a liar. You've gone opening your big mouth to father. But why would I do that? You told mother you can actually tell father. Obieze, I love you with my heart. And that is why you're not dead by now. You would have been dead long ago. But I love you as a brother. And you are my only brother. But you stabbed me at my back. Do you listen to what you say? Obiora, you're my beloved brother. I love you too. I will never do anything to hurt you. Obieze, father was so sure of what he said. I believe someone must have said something to father. Well, I do not know. I am not the one. Obieze, if I should find out that you've been telling father something, you would not like me. Obiora.
Is there something I can do?
Wait. Just hit it, like, so it doesn't get cold. Just hold on.
Is there anything I can do?
I need to get into leaf.
The Hindu leaf?
Yes.
I have never heard of that. Where do you think you can get it now?
It is found on the boundary between Raji and Dido Kingdom.
That's impossible. You know you can't go there because of how risky it is.
I know, but I have to go. If not, we are going to lose her. I've been there several times. I've gone there in the odd hours of the night. I've gone there by day, in the morning. I've gone there several times, so I know where it is.
It's very risky. Then I have to go with you.
Oh no, you have to stay with her. Just keep an eye on her, please. I have to go. Just hit. I'm coming.
Are you sure?
I'm sure. I'm very, very sure.
Obiora! 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 Hey! Father! Obiora! Father!
Obiora! Obiora, Mom! Obiora! Obiora! What is this? Father! Go to my land! Go to my land! Chima!
No! Please!
Please!
Allow him. Lie him, put him on the ground. Put him on the ground. Can you stop talking? What happened?
I just saw him on the floor. I don't know what happened to him.
Gods of our land, why?
Oma. She couldn't make it. What happened?
The python was here.
That's impossible.
The python attacked her. Obi, I asked you not to leave. I asked you to watch over her. I asked you to stay with her.
I know. But I couldn't have allowed you to go into that terrain all by yourself. The python was right behind you and was ready to devour you. Someone needed to stop it. It's unfortunate it got here first.
It's unfortunate. Because all my efforts are gone. All my efforts are wasted.
No, Oma. The gods are wise. They did this for a purpose. If I was here, she would have been alive. But you would be dead. The gods saw your good heart and decided to spare you instead.
What nonsense? What nonsense? Okay, the gods chose to save me and not save her. Are the gods now biased?
Oma, it's not about the gods being biased. The terror has ended. The python has been killed.
I wanted her saved.
I know.
I wanted her to make it out of the python bites. I wanted her to be alive. I put in so much effort for her to stay. God of our Lord, why? God of our Lord.
People of Raji, get on to. People of Raji, get on to. Listen and listen very attentively. The greatest terror that has been terrorizing and haunting this kingdom is no more. Hey. Because Obiekwe, the son of Ikagu, has killed the dreaded and mysterious python. Because of this, we shall no longer be hungry for what to eat and the fear of tilling our soil. Because of the fear of it not being eaten up by the snake. Neither shall we go taste because of the fear of the water bodies and the streams. I want you all to understand that the water bodies and the streams are safe for consumption. So let us marry and live happily ever again. There is peace and joy in the land of Uroji. Anunu karibe yo. People of Uroji, get on to. The dreaded and the mysterious python that has been haunting our kingdom has been destroyed, has been killed by Obiekwe, the son of Ikago. And because of this, the people of Uroji will no longer be afraid of hunger, of tilling the soil, and being scared of it being eaten up by the snake. And our water bodies and streams are clean and safe for human consumption. So based on this, the land and the kingdom of Uroji is free at last. People of Uroji.
Ezemo, why will you say this to me?
The prince was killed by an Uroji hunter. My king, you may bury your dead.
Never. I am not going to commit the remains of Obiora, my son, to Mother Earth when I have not visited my anger on the people of Uroji. You are going to pay the price for this. The rat must not mistakenly feast on the bag of the medicine man. Because when that happens, the medicine man will mistakenly place a curse on the rat. By my ancestors, I am going to rain war on you, the people of Uroji, for daring to kill my son. Not even one soul is going to be spared. And on the loneliness of my throne, I declare war on you, the people of Uroji.
The king does not close his head against the cry and anguish of the innocent voices who have been sent to their early grave. You can't be that uncaring and forgetful. You can't.
He was my son. He was the heir to the throne of his father. Gruesomely murdered by those heartless people without any reason, without a cause.
Without reason?
Yes.
Hear this. A king mustn't be too forgetful. Never. He poisoned their water. He killed their animals. He destroyed their crops. He did everything possible to cause them everlasting pain. He disguised himself as a python. And they saw him as a real python. And they killed it.
When they killed it, they killed my son. Oh yes! The heartless people killed the son of Ezo, and I am not going to forget that in a hurry. I am not going to leave any soul standing.
Hey, hear this. The words of the meek resonated in the womb of my mind when I was deeply busy communicating with my ancestors. Ugezu has the heart of God and was doing his best to display truth and nothing but the truth.
What truth? What truth?
The king must be very, very careful and must listen to the voice of his conscience and the voice of the gods. And I will add, the king must know when to go to war and when to be child.
A king, to the very best of my knowledge, is that man who executes justice for his people. He is that man who will not go back on his word. That is the king that I know. I don't know this very king you are talking about.
Your Majesty, we cannot concede war with the people of Diodo. Their warriors are far-reaching. If the people of Raji compete with them, we will not see the light of the day.
I'm as confused as you are. I feel worried every now and then. Raji will never be able to stand the people of Diodo in a battlefield.
My king, all we need is peace. If their war projection holds true, Raji might not be able to stand it.
We killed the python and not the prince. It tormented us and brought us down on our knees. Our waters are poisoned. It devoured all our men. They destroyed our farmlands and left us with nothing. Now we have to stood by ourselves.
My king, when Ugezu killed the python, he killed the prince.
Same different. We had no idea it was the python prince.
King Ugezu is a deadly king. He will not take this lightly with us. He might think we collide to destroy his kingdom. King Ugezu will be coming for us. My king, he is coming for us.
Ugezu is a man that no peace and make peace with anyone. Ugezu want war. We shall fight war. Raji will stand and fight him. You give him war.
Your Majesty, the great king of the other kingdom, may your reign be long. We know how bitter you are, but our king sent us a message to ask for peace and mercy. Please pardon us. See, we do not desire to go to war with your kingdom. We did not know that the python that threatened our kingdom was your son, the crown prince of the other kingdom. We did not know. Well, to that end, my king, our king sent a tribute of peace and mercy. Please pardon us. Pardon us. The best thing you have done for yourself is that you arrived with this one who is going to give a report back in Uruoje what became of you. You are the emissary of the king. This mission has become your last. Because I am going to terminate your life to send a signal to that useless kingdom of yours. And there is nothing that is going to stop me. You shut up. Go back to your land now that you still have your legs. Tell them that I, Ezo Kazie of Diodo, have killed this emissary of the king. Run!
Your
Grab
Majesty.
this man.
Your Majesty. Your Majesty, please pardon me. Your Majesty, I'm just a messenger, Your Majesty. Your Majesty!
Igwe!
Where is your noble?
King Okazie had his guards execute him.
Hey. Yes.
He spared my life so that I can give you the message.
Your Highness, you and I know how peaceful the people of Imo are.
A people who are peaceful do not call for war. A people who are peaceful do not provoke other people for them to go to war. They called for war the very time they killed my son.
I have heard whispers. The Pura taunted and haunted their land. It was like a thorn in their flesh. And when they killed the python, they never knew it was the crown prince of Theodo.
Why am I having this nauseating feeling that you have crept into Uroji to go and have conversation with them? If not, how did you get to hear all of this? That means you have been fraternizing with my enemy.
No, Your Highness. I will never do such a treacherous thing. The whispers are all over the place. It was loud. And these people, please show mercy on them. Even though he might be our beloved son, he was a beast and terror to so many others.
Shut up! How dare you stand before me to speak ill of my beloved son that they murdered? How dare you?
Please forgive me, Your Highness. They are innocent.
Enough. Enough of this!
Son, you see, you have to listen to me. And your father listens to you. You have to stop your father from destroying the innocent people of Ugezu.
They are innocent people. Mother, they killed my beloved brother. They are evil. They took my only beloved brother, and they must pay. I shall personally see to it that they go down to their knees.
Son, you both loathed and despised the evil he perpetrated while he was alive. And now, you want to destroy an entire kingdom for the same person you scorned.
He was my beloved brother. He was my beloved brother, and I made him a promise. I promised him that I would fight and defend him, whether in death or in life.
Are you proud to say that? If the situation were flipped, would he do the same for you?
Ubira was my brother. And if there's anything I have known him for, is that he loved me. And he was ready to die for me.
son. I know it's a father that is pushing you to doing
My
this.
father is not pushing me, mother.
My son, you are not a child of violence and hostility. I know you very well. You are a child of peace, love and compassion. That's who you are.
And now the people of Raji has awoken the lion from sleeping. They shall pay.
Greetings, my queen. My prince. The king demands your presence now.
Excuse me, mother. To set the record straight, this fight is a tribute to my beloved brother. It has nothing to do with what the king wants. The sound of my voice sent fear and anxiety to their spine. And I could see them quaking in fear and trembling. Father, we shall take war to them. We shall march into Uroji and we shall take it.
That is the sound of the voice of my son. And I am always delighted when my son speaks this way. Uroji shall not witness the rising of the sun ever again.
But Father, something bothers me.
What is it?
We do not know the strength of these warriors.
Well, the warriors of Uroji can actually be described as a bunch of weaklings. The last time they went into war with the people of Urofolo, I gathered, it was only in one day that they were completely stampeded, completely defeated. Only in one day.
Father, I heard a rumor of a new warrior leader.
Now that we are discussing this, what exactly did you hear?
Do not worry, Father, for I have a great plan.
And I am interested in knowing, what is this plan? Oma! Oma! Please come.
Obi? Who is this? What of our land? What happened to him? Wait, let me help you. Slowly.
I met him half dead in the thick part of the wood. I think he must have been attacked by a deadly animal. Will he survive?
I need to see if he's going to survive. Where did he come from?
My beloved sister. That knowledge eludes me.
I can see you're not familiar with our meals.
It was indeed delicious. Thank you so much.
Well, I do not think that was actually what happened because you left it inside. You didn't eat much.
Oh, yes. Let's just say I'm still recovering. Maybe I don't have the appetite to eat.
Speaking of which, I think you're actually recovering faster than I ever thought.
All thanks to your gifted hands.
No. All thanks to my brother who stumbled on you in the woods.
Yes. I can't wait to thank him. Thank you too. Tell me about your kingdom.
Well, there is nothing much to say about our kingdom. We are just small, peaceful, and very loving people.
I see. Have you gone to a war before?
What? No. That is because our warriors are very weak. The last fight we had, all the warriors almost got killed in a stampede. They had to run for their lives. Although people say that we have a new head warrior, I do not see any difference. The warriors are so weak. They cannot even fight to save their lives. Talk more of the people of this kingdom.
That is sad.
It is not. Because we are happy, we are peaceful, and we have love.
But in cases of insurgencies, the gods will not come and fight your battle.
You're right.
I know I am right. But not worry. I shall defend Raji.
Well, I hope so.
No. I will.
To the defender of Uroji Kingdom.
Obiaba. Thank you. Thank you so much for everything you've done for me.
Oh, no. My sister is the healer, and she deserves all the praises.
I know. But she asked me to thank you because you found me.
And what about you? Do you think I deserve all the praises or she does?
Yes. I think you deserve the credit.
And she deserves more.
Obi, what is it?
What do you think you're doing listing all our incapacitation to a total stranger? Huh? What if he's a spy? What if he is here on a personal mission?
But you told me his father was killed by his people and they wanted to kill him too, so he had to run for his life.
He could be a spy.
You're not
and
sure.
you better stop selling us out.
Gotten all the information needed. their warriors are still weak and informidable.
This is wonderful. Your Highness will be happy to hear this.
I want you to go to the kingdom. Get all the warriors ready. For we shall invade this kingdom tomorrow. We shall unleash our wrath on them. We shall destroy every soul in this entire kingdom of Raji. Do not fail. Not even an animal shall be spared.
Yes, my prince.
Now go.
Yes, my prince, I will do as you.
Go!
Ugezu.
Hi.
I was looking for you in the hut and met your absence.
Yes, I came to ease myself and then get some fresh air.
You came to ease yourself and get some fresh air.
Oh yes, yes.
Listen, Ugezu. You're a stranger in this kingdom, and you need to hide yourself, lest the king gets information of your presence here. And you know that's trouble.
Yes, please, forgive me. Forgive my manners, please. Find them! Find them! Stop it! Take the knife. Move!
Nduka!
Okay, move now. Keep moving! Bring them here!
I told you.
Shut up!
What is going on here?
Stop fooling yourself. I am Prince Ugezu from the Odo Kingdom. I was never attacked.
After all my brother and I did for you, you snitch!
You stop that!
I told you, Mama. I told you he was a spy!
You thought I was attacked. You thought I was attacked by wild animals. Well, it would please me to tell you that I wasn't. I was never attacked. I knew you killed my beloved brother. You killed my only brother! And that was why I decided to position myself. Because I knew you are kind-hearted. And you will come to save me. That was his weak point. You were supposed to be my doorway into Raji. And you're supposed to be my source to know about the warriors of Raji. Plans worked. Stop!
Do not hurt my brother.
Now, my mission is accomplished. Take them away! Get them! Let's go and get the king and the queen! Move!
Ogamu!
Take them away!
King Okazie of Idiodo Kingdom, please have mercy and spare the life of my people.
Are you not shameless? You are the one who is king over the people of Raji. And you are the one saddled with the responsibility of defending them, protecting them. And here you are, asking for mercy. You are just shameless.
It's Okazie. The time comes in the life of a man when he swallows his pride and do the right thing.
Are you by any means making reference to me?
I am making reference to myself because I have no reason to continue losing my people on a daily basis when I know I can appeal for peace.
I hate to see men who are not ready to discuss justice, opening their mouths to discuss peace.
I am ready for justice that will bring peace.
That justice is going to come when you are dead. Oh yes, you heard me.
How do you mean?
The justice is going to come when I kill you with all these useless members of your family. That act of killing you and your family members will give me the justice that will finally give me peace of mind. Sam, thank you. Thank you so much for pulling this through.
Please.
Don't say anything. Ndoka.
Your Highness.
Get your men. Get your men to throw these ones into the dungeon for them to become feasts for the wild beasts.
Your Majesty, please.
Say nothing.
Your Majesty.
Say nothing or I am going to kill you slowly. I am impressed with this very detailed plan of your son. Run with it.
And I shall run with it like a wind.
Is he responding to treatment at all?
The attack must have been quite a devastation. Thank the gods that you found him on time.
What do you think must have happened to him? Or is there another python out there?
Looking at him, it is obvious he was attacked by something less deadly than a python. It wasn't a python.
Do you think he will survive?
I'll leave that for the gods. Where did you find him?
Young man. Young man. Young man.
Where do you think he came from?
I do not know. I was only hunting. Do you think he will make it?
The medicine I have given him is going to wake him up by sunset. That is if the god allows him to wake up.
I trust you.
You're awake. Thank the gods, you're awake.
Who are you?
You're awake.
Who are you?
Relax.
Who am I?
You need to rest. Thank the God you're awake. You're alive.
No. I need to leave.
No. You need to rest.
Who are you?
My name is Oma. My brother found you in the woods. You were attacked by wild animals. The God saved you through me. Who are you? You do not seem like a hunter. So what were you doing in the woods all alone?
You do not need to know me. I need to leave.
If you must leave, you have to leave.
What do you mean by that?
It means you're not strong enough to go. You have to rest.
I know my body too well. I am strong. I can go.
Aye!
You can't.
Ah! Ah! Ah!
My legs.
That's fine.
Ah! Ah! Ah!
That's fine. Sorry.
What happened?
He had a setback.
How?
He woke up and tried to leave.
He tried to leave? Come. That young man is such an ingrate and a coward.
I think he's just afraid.
Afraid? Afraid of who? He should be grateful instead.
He's in a strange land with strange people. Maybe he's scared that we could kill him or something.
Kill him? When he wakes up, tell him that we are vegetarians in this land. We do not eat human flesh.
Who are you?
My name is Oma. I'm a healer. You haven't touched the food.
I am not hungry. I never asked for food.
If I were you, stranger, I would be grateful and humble. Because my brother found you and saved your life.
Your brother?
He's a hunter. A well-respectable hunter of his community. He has earned so much respect from his people. If he finds out that you're acting ungrateful towards me, and his effort to repay it.
It must be so many.
You will figure it. Yes, sir.
So where is he now?
I just told you it's a hunter.
You never told me he lives in woods.
I did not say he lives in the woods.
He was honored by the king with the title of the head warrior.
Head warrior?
Yes. He killed the python that has been terrorizing the people of this great kingdom. And so the king had no choice than to honor him with the title of his head warrior.
Oh, killed the python.
It is a long story.
It's fine. You don't want to tell me the story. But the head warrior, that is you. You must be very strong.
He single-handedly killed the python, carried it himself, took it to the king's palace.
It's fine. I wish to say goodnight.
Say no. It is almost sunset. Before you know it, you'll be back. Then you can give me all the talents and all the applications that he desires. For now, it's your leadership. Strong.
So tell me, how does it feel to be the king's head warrior?
I don't even know. You see, all my life, I have fought with lions, bears and beasts. I don't have much experience in fighting humans.
That aside, I know the king should have so much confidence and faith in you.
Well, I believe he does.
He should.
And how about the stranger? Is he giving you problems? Listen, if he stresses you, I will throw him out.
While on the contrary, he has been well behaved. He hasn't caused any issues.
He is? What did you do?
Well, I told him how temperamental you can be sometimes, and that if he finds out that he's ungrateful, you were going to throw him out.
Well, it sounds more like you were threatening him.
Not just that. He felt really threatened when I told him how you single-handedly killed the python that invaded his land for so long and terrorized the people of his great kingdom. He was so scared. I could see fear in his eyes. Now he knows who my brother is. He knows how powerful and brave you are. He wouldn't try to do anything that will make you angry.
You told him all that?
Yes, of course.
You shouldn't. You shouldn't have told him. What if he's a spy?
I am not a spy. Trust me, I did not steal into your conversation.
Really?
Yes. Let's eat.
So how are you?
I'm fine. Both of you act surprised.
Well, that's because I didn't know you were this nice.
That's fine. Let us eat.
Your Highness, please may I have a word with you, please?
This is not a good time, please.
I am worried about Prince Ugezu. About this mission. I don't want to lose him the way I lost his brother.
He is not treading on the path of his brother. He is fighting a just cause. He is being very loyal to the throne. by fighting to avenge the gruesome murder of the brother. Anyone who has royal blood should not have a problem with what my son is doing.
It has been 4 market days and he hasn't returned. How long more will it take him to return?
He can actually stay as long as he wants, provided his mission is in line with the verdict of the king.
Finally, fate brought me into the hands of the idiot who brutally murdered my brother. He is the new head of warriors we heard about. I will surely destroy him. I will be his doom and make him pay severely for ever laying a hand on my beloved brother. First, I must stick to the plan. I shall assimilate into them and make them think of me as a loyal victim. I shall use them to know everything about Raji. And when they would least expect, I shall bring war to them. I will destroy him. I will destroy his sister and the entire kingdom.
Greetings, Obi.
Greetings, Ugezu. How are you doing today?
I thank the gods. At least I am alive. I can see you're going for hunting.
Of course. You know, it's as if the animals are beginning to devise means to escape the hunter's trap. It begins to look like they are now wiser than humans.
No. They can never be wiser than humans. They cannot be wiser than you. I mean, you are the king of the woods.
So were you.
I can see you two are getting along so well.
Oma.
Please. Can I go for hunting with Obekwe?
Oh, no. She will not let you go. Obviously, you're still recovering.
Well, he can. He could go with you for hunting.
I can?
Of course.
You seem so excited about this hunting game. Let me tell you, the hunting game is not an easy one.
But you do it excitedly.
Oh, that's because we are born for it.
Well, I am ready to learn.
You are?
Yes.
Okay.
I should get a knife for you.
Yes.
Ugezu, pay attention and watch how we hunt in the wild. Oh. We lost it. I told you about how smart animals are beginning to get. But let's go and dig deeper. We must catch an inch today.
Okay. Ubiekwe,
Yes, Ugezu.
I never knew there is so much money in these sales of hunting game.
My father makes a lot of money from the hunting and sales. My grandfather did. My great-grandfather did. In fact, all my ancestors.
So, this is more like a family thing.
Of course.
But you do not have a son. A son that would forward your legacy.
Oh, that. I will soon have a son. Not to worry.
He said,
I came to collect my money. Okay, please. When will you pay me my money?
Maidens of Uroji.
Give me my money.
Maidens of Uroji. Why are you harassing the young maiden?
This one doesn't concern you. You could just be going.
But you were harassing her.
Okay, if you must know. She borrowed 30 pieces of cowries from me. A whole 30 pieces of cowries. And she has refused to pay me. I want my money. Give me my money. She's telling me stories.
When do you want this cowrie to be paid back?
Since yesterday. Oh. She promised to pay me back yesterday. I've not seen my money. Eh? Give me my money. When? I'll give you. When? Give me my money.
It's okay.
Give me my money. My own money. I'll pay you. When?
Here is 40 pieces of cowries. And another 10 for your troubles.
Oh my. It's complete though. Chica has solved. Your chi has saved you today. I would have dealt
You may now leave, please.
Thank you. Why don't
have to thank you for.
Don't worry. You don't have to. You can.
No, you have done enough already for me. You have done enough for me.
Don't worry. Don't worry. So, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ubekwe.
Greetings, Osinachi.
Greetings, the friend and the great giver of Uroji.
What are you doing here, and how are you and your father?
My father is fine, but things have been very difficult. But all the same, we thank the gods.
This is all I have.
Please do not. You and your sister have been of so much help to my father and I. Please do not. I cannot accept it.
It's okay. You can take it. Go ahead.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Do not thank you for all your kindness. May the gods continue to bless you. Thank you.
My regards to your father.
Have you?
What is going on, Obiekwe? I have been watching you. You have been literally emptying yourself for everyone in need in this village. If you continue like this, what will you and your sister be left with?
Ugezu, by the gods, I and my sister will never lack. The gods will continue to provide for us. I mean, what is the essence of having so much and not being able to give to people around you?
I understand. It is good to give. But don't you think you're doing too much?
No. It is my father's tradition that nobody around him lacked anything when he had a lot to give.
Oh, I see. Your father must have been a very great man.
It was. Let's go.
Mama, where is Ugezu?
The king sent for him.
Oh, I see. It must be very difficult for him to be a head warrior and also a hunter.
Well, my brother has always been very tenacious. I can tell you, he's up to the task.
He sure is. You know, I get really amazed the few times I have stepped out with him. I watch him lavish kindness on people in need. He really gives them his time.
Well, I know about that. And I hope I wouldn't sound proud if I say my brother is the kindest person I've ever met or come across in this life.
No, you would not. Because I have noticed it myself, time and time again. Let me tell you something. Mama, you and your brother have shown me so much love. And for that, I owe you my life.
Oh, no. You owe us nothing. All that we did for you is out of kindness. And the reward will come from the gods and not man.
Mama, I'll be going back to my people. But I shall come back. I cannot forget the kindness you and your brother have shown me. I will miss you so much.
I am going to miss you too. Sorry. My brother and I are going to miss you very much.
Maybe I should join you.
Are you out of your mind? You betrayed your king and your kingdom? For this single act of yours, I am going to throw you into the dungeon.
Father, please, just give me an audience for a little moment. I, your son, will not do anything against you, the king, or to betray my kingdom. Father, now I know the truth.
What useless truth are you talking about? Your mission was very simple. Go and start the process of serving justice on those who brutally killed my son. And you dare me?
Father, I know you will hate to hear this, but the people of Raji are a peaceful, loving and compassionate people.
Did you see the hunter who killed my son? I'm asking you, did you see the man who killed Obiora, your brother?
No, Father.
Then you have to go back. You must have to go back and continue searching for that man, because I want you to find him. I am going to kill him slowly. Then I have to move in, take over that land and cutting everybody down.
But Father...
Enough. Get out of my sight. Ndoka.
Yes, Your Highness.
Ugezu. Ugezu. Have you returned?
As you can see, I have.
Welcome.
Thank you. Good to see you.
Good to see you too. Oma will talk about you all day, every day.
I couldn't stop thinking about her. And you too.
I am sure she feels the same way about you. And I am sure she will skip out of her skin when she sees you.
Is she inside her hut?
No. She went to get some herbs. But I am sure she will be on her way back now.
I see. Okay. I will just rest for now. Maybe later I shall go look for her.
Okay.
Yes.
I was about going to the king's palace. And I'll see you both when I return.
Alright. Be safe.
Alright.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
What did you find out?
Your Majesty, from what we gathered, Prince Ugezu is living with the Maiden and her brother.
That is unbelievable.
And also, Your Highness, the young man is highly esteemed in the kingdom. He's the chief of the warriors Prince Ugezu talked about.
I see. So he is actually studying the warriors through the brother. And he's studying the head of the warriors through the maiden.
I hope your projections are right. Your Highness, he's the hunter who killed the Python Prince.
That's not possible.
Your Highness, what I'm telling you is true. And his name is Obiekwe. He's the one who killed the prince.
What?
Mama.
Obi, are you set to leave?
Yes.
Food is almost ready. You should just hold on a minute.
Oh no, I can't eat now. I have to rush to the king's palace. But I need to talk to you before I leave.
Okay.
You must be careful with that stranger. This might be the reason why the king wants to see me.
But I'm very sure he came back because he misses us. And he's going to be here just for a few days before he returns to his kingdom.
I don't think so. And you must stop putting him on display. Hence he becomes the subject of the villagers' gossip.
Villagers gossip?
Of course. And the elders might have informed him. Warriors of Diodo Kingdom, what brings you to my abode?
Do not stand in our way. We are sent from our great king Okazie to come and bring our prince back home.
Your prince?
Nduka, what are you doing here? Return back to the palace now.
My prince, the king is displeased. You have to come to Diodo and explain to the council all you have done.
You are a prince of Diodo Kingdom. Nduka, go and tell my father that I shall return in my own time. Leave now.
I'm sorry, my prince. But if you don't willingly come with us, we might force you. I'd rather force you than disobey the great order from the king.
You will not do that. Mama. Please. Forgive me. Forgive me for concealing this from you. But I assure you, I shall make everything right.
Please. You have to leave now, my prince.
Please, forgive me.
He deceived us. He snitched on us. Maybe the warriors of Diodo will... What do you want?
The king has asked that all man should be brought to the palace at once.
Could this be the reason the king wants to see me?
I have no idea.
If you lay a finger on my sister, I'll behead you! Then proceed. Proceed! I'll take her myself. Proceed. Let's go. I want you.
Move it.
If not that you are blue blood, I would have fed you to the lions. So by going to conspire with my enemy, by going to fall in love, what exactly? You want to be a hero?
I do not want to be a hero. All I want is for this enmity to collapse.
So you will be remembered in history as a hero, right?
Father, it is not about the credit.
Then it's about what?
It is about the devastation. The utter destruction that is going to befall this kingdom if this war is not cancelled and peace embraced.
It is not going to happen in your life. I am going to make them pay brutally for killing my son. Had it been the gods blessed me with another son, I swear to them, there is no way a fool like you will sit on that throne.
I do not want to be a king.
What?
Yes. All I want is for you to make peace. And that I shall ensure to carry out. No matter who sits on that throne.
My enemies? Are you challenging the king?
You are my father. I cannot challenge you. But if truly you are the great king of this kingdom, then you should listen to the voice of reason.
My king, I know your heart has been heavy laden. I bring you words of hope, encouragement, and light. I come to you as a wife and not as a queen. I come to you as a soulmate and not as a member of your household. I come to you as a...
What exactly are you up to? No, have you actually come to weaken me with sweet words? To prevent me from doing that which I have already decided in my heart that I'm going to do?
You are a great king, my lord. And I know you've already gotten your warriors ready for war. I need you to remember that you've never made mistakes. Your actions gladden the heart of the gods, and you find favor in their sight. I want you to remember that a man who finds favor in the sight of God is at peace even with his enemies. My king and my love, I do not want this to be the one time you make a mistake. So I bring you courage, hope, and peace. Though your eyes may be gloomy and dark, I give you light and life.
If the people of Idiodo want war, I, Odigwe, shall give them war. If Okaze think he is smart, I will fight him with the last drop of my blood. Since he wants war, then I will fight him. I will fight him.
Ezodiwe, the king of Ugezu. I can see the way you are looking at me. Because what is happening here has never happened in the history of our both kingdoms. It is finally happening that I, as Okazie of Diodo Kingdom, paying you a visit right before your throne, is because it has dawned on me that peace is supreme. I want the war that is existing between our kingdoms to come to an end. Yes, I am pained that I lost my son. But the reality is that he died because a kingdom was actually protecting themselves. Your kingdom has committed no crime for defending their land. Killing my son was a mistake, and there is no reason for me to continue waging war for a people that defended their land. It is on that note that I have arrived. In my individual capacity as the king of Diodo Kingdom, to extend this hand of friendship and plead with you to accept it, so that peace will continue to exist between our both lands. I don't know if I am making any sense. Ezodigwe.
Ezokazie, you have made a wise decision. And what happened for a reason. It's not in our power to take decision. But I've seen that you are a man of dignity.
Peace we shall be. It is on that note of peace that I have come to announce to you that my son, the coming king of my land, has indicated interest in having the maiden that is very close to you to be his wife, who is going to reign with him when he becomes king of my land. And I ask you, Ezodigwe, is there anything that is going to prevent you from allowing this union to hold?
Ezokazie, I'm a man of peace. I love peace. At least with this whole idea, we both can unite as one. Ezokazie. Oma.
Gwe.
Now that you have found happiness and love, I have no other option than to support you. Now that we have established peace between the both kingdoms, that peace shall be with us. Let me have your hands. My dear daughter, I believe in love. And now that both of you have come together, let the blessings of the gods be with you till the day of your life. In peace we shall be. Go and enjoy.
Oh, yes, my son.
What a union.
I embrace your wife. Everybody's there.
What's yours is yours, what's mine is mine. What will be, and what won't be, won't be. Ah, yeah. Ah, yeah. Destiny may be delayed, what can never be denied. Why the envy? Why the hatred? Everyone
ya kakwama, obu ya kachama. Destiny may be delayed, maybe delayed. Never be denied, no matter how long it takes to come. What's yours is yours, and what's mine is mine. Uguchukuturumu marabugi naramia, emenu mana uchechigeme, uchechigeme.